My fellow Americans, I am Abraham Lincoln, speaking to you across the ages to share the lessons of unity, perseverance, and justice. These principles guided me through the greatest trial our nation has ever faced, and they remain as essential today as they were in my time. When I took office, this union was on the brink of collapse. Brother turned against brother, and the very fabric of our nation seemed destined to unravel. Yet I believed, and still believe, that the bonds that unite us are stronger than the divisions that seek to tear us apart. We are one nation, indivisible, and it is only through unity that we can overcome our greatest challenges. To preserve this union, we faced trials that tested the strength of our hearts and the resolve of our spirits. Perseverance was not a choice. It was a necessity. I ask you now, when confronted with division, will you retreat into hatred and fear, or will you persevere, finding common ground to move forward together? But unity cannot exist without justice. During my presidency, I came to understand that a house divided against itself cannot stand. The institution of slavery was a moral blight upon our nation, and it was our solemn duty to confront it. With the Emancipation Proclamation, we declared that freedom and dignity belong to all people, not just to some. Yet I knew that proclamation was only the beginning of a much longer journey. To the youth of today, I say this: the world will often present you with trials, but do not shy away from them. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Stand firm in the face of wrongs, and work to make your community a place of fairness and opportunity for all. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the determination to do what is right, even when it is difficult. To those who lead, I offer this reminder: leadership is not a privilege, but a responsibility. It is your duty to serve the people with humility, fairness, and a steadfast commitment to the greater good. You will face criticism and hardship, as I did. But never forget that the true measure of leadership is found in the lives you touch and the justice you uphold. Let us remember that democracy is not perfect, but it is perfectible. It requires constant vigilance, sacrifice, and dedication from each generation. As I once said, the dogmas of the quiet past are inadequate to the stormy present. The occasion is piled high with difficulty, and we must rise with the occasion. This is your time to rise. Finally, I leave you with this: we cannot escape history. The choices you make today will shape the future of this nation. Stand for unity. Stand for justice. Stand together as one people, determined to build a brighter and freer future. Yours in service, Abraham Lincoln.